minimize pollution. We destroy hazardous waste compounds. And let's face it, the garbage is one of the most hazardous waste compounds because it is totally non-regulated from the household. Businesses have had to comply for years and years and are actually clean. It is the household that's one of the most toxic areas around. And let's not store them for future generations. Local landfill sites, again, we were stuck in a position where it's not desirable, actually not possible in Spokane. The politics have made it such. We can't recycle it all, but we can do the next environmental step in solid waste management, and that's what Spokane is. At a cost, there's no doubt about it. But we look at it as an infrastructure. Cost is an issue, yes. But you don't build secondary wastewater treatment plants because you're going to save money. No. You don't build bridges to save money. That has no revenue. It's infrastructure for quality of life in your community. Energy reasons, if you're not doing this, you're just burying it. You're throwing it away. You need, there's dramatic needs for local energy uses. We haven't built a power plant in the state of Washington for a very, very long time. In the whole nation, the power plants are 50 plus years, and there will be new ones. It's just a matter of how much is it going to cost. This is where people look from a larger point of view. It's not the energy people that pay for that power plant. It is also the garbage people paying. So why not take that money and build something that will solve two problems at the same time? Seattle is blessed with a district heating system. It has vision. We lose almost 2/3 of the energy by converting it to electricity, BTU content. You're generating steam. To convert one form of energy to another makes a lot of sense. There are a lot of facilities, especially in Europe, that not only generate steam, but also chilled water or hot water that can definitely reduce its carbon footprint in the whole community. Rail infrastructure, you utilize rail, we utilize rail. But rail infrastructure, again, is limited, as well as needs a lot of infrastructure improvements. Why not use the rail for goods and services, not for waste? Let's generate electricity. Let's not use our energy in transporting and burying it in the ground to cause problems. We all look at energy independence from fossil fuels. This is a homegrown energy in our own backyard. We have the fuel, it's here. It's a matter of implementing. Feel free to contact me. I'm with the City of Spokane. Philip has been an enormous help to me in the vision of how these things can run with an immense amount of resources. He has helped me in the technical line transfer of what can happen if you are to address a problem. You can address it with technology, proven technology that can run. There are many, many technologies, but with municipal money, you have to be very, very careful to use proven technology that you know is going to work. Municipal government isn't in the business of risk. Private sector is more in the vision of risk. So when you look at many, many technologies as well as we have, you have to look at how you manage that risk, how you put the burden and have the requirements out there, not the technology, but the requirements. And over again, these mass burn facilities have gone to the next level. It's proven technology. It's like a car. I mean, I would love to have a nuclear powered car that doesn't need fuel. But that isn't exactly, it's possible. But, what about other things? What about an existing car? Can you improve that? Yeah. Mass burn and what we have is probably the 4th or 5th generation of these facilities. Thank you.